Welcome to this It's So Easy video for Panda Cloud Office Protection, in which we will look at deployment and why it's so easy. So, you've purchased your endpoint security solution. Now your challenge is to expedite deployment to ensure a 100% security coverage as quickly as possible. Okay, so that's the theory. So what are the usual problems you come across? Okay, first of all, you have to look at uninstalling present solutions or other AV products. Then you have to look at deployment, but with a minimum effort. And then finally, you have to monitor that complete deployment. Okay, in regards to uninstalling the present solution, sometimes best case scenario is when you have to go from PC to PC and manually uninstall the present solution, cleaning registries, so on and so forth. Worst case scenario is when you only partially uninstall the previous solution and install the new solution on top of that, which creates future compatibility issues. In regards to monitoring minimum deployment effort, if you cannot centrally deploy the solution, this means that you have to go from PC to PC again. And in regards to monitoring, in most cases, installations only appear when they've been completed successfully, which is absolutely useless to the administrator, and which once again force him to go on site and go from PC to PC. Panda Cloud Office Protection, on the other hand, simplifies this entire process and assures that your valuable time is not dedicated to repetitive, zero-value tasks. So let's take a look at how it's done.
When you launch the deployment locally, remotely, or via logon script, it will automatically search for incompatible software, uninstalling them and cleaning your system without user intervention. It's so easy. Panda Cloud Office Protection can be installed by several means, depending on the specific needs of the administrator. First, you can send a link to the installer via email. You can also directly download the MSI installer. Manual installation is simple, and in a question of clicks, the installation process is complete. We can also deploy the solution remotely via the distribution tool. Once downloaded and installed on a PC on the LAN, you can deploy the solution to all the PCs, laptops and servers in your network segment, remotely and in a question of minutes. Now let's take a look at how to monitor deployments. We can check the global status of deployments from the Computer tab on the web console. Here you have two tabs: Protected, endpoints which have the solution successfully installed and will appear here, and Unprotected, which will include endpoints that do not have Panda Cloud Office Protection installed, are installing, or have errors in installing.
So we have seen how Panda Cloud Office Protection simplifies this entire deployment process by firstly automatically and transparently uninstalling any previous solutions or AV products. Secondly, by enabling minimum effort deployment for our administrators using the remote distribution tool, Active Directory, Tivoli, etc. And finally, by ensuring that the administrator can monitor the progress of the deployment in each stage from anywhere at any time using the web console.